Today's little job is just to replace the hood struts on a 2008 Mercedes E350. First release the catch inside the car, then grab this little piece here, pull it forward and raise the bonnet hood. You will find that at this point it is impossible to get the new struts on. I will show you the little trick that Mercedes have incorporated. Here is a little catch. Now in this position you can't release it. You have to bring the hood down a little bit and then squeeze it. That allows the hood to go way up, and there it locks. Now that is extremely handy actually for when you're working on the vehicle. Now let's grab the relevant pieces. New strut and the old strut. Here I've taken the hook out on this one, so you just get in behind it with a pick and hook it out. Do the same and pop it off. Now the strut will come down like this. You then get your hook again, hopefully you can see this, and just hook it out and off comes the strut. You then throw it. You grab your new strut, strut your stuff. Remember this piece that goes at the bottom, so just hook that on. All you do is place it and push it and it's done. And this one up here, twist it to the correct orientation, push it on, done. I've already done the one on the other side. Now you want to close the bonnet, don't you? And if you just grab it here and pull, it doesn't want to come. That pin is holding it, so you need to pull that pin again. Now it will come down. And believe me, with these new struts on, there you go, click, you heard the click? That's now got it to its normal position. So now, let's bring her down. Oh, that's stiff now. And done, look at that. A real easy job. Yep, dead simple. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, comment, subscribe. Any questions on that little job, let me know.